Dispatch to Oscar 4-1. What's your 20? Dispatch to Oscar 4-1. Please respond. Oscar 4-1, respond.
Oscar 4-1 here. 10-12. We were 10-46.
Understood, Oscar 4-1.
Oscar 4-1. We were 10-46.
Copy that, Oscar 3-1. Have a good one.
Bleiben Sie hinter der Linie. Machen Sie Platz für die Einsatzfahrzeuge. Halten Sie sich von den Polizeifahrzeugen fern. Bleiben Sie hinter der Linie. Bleiben Sie bitte zurück, zu Ihrer eigenen Sicherheit. Zurückbleiben, zu Ihrer eigenen Sicherheit.
Die Straßensperren stehen. Wir haben den Ostteil abgedeckt. Einheit 5 ist ebenfalls bei uns. Einheit 5 Zentrale. Vorsichtig vorgehen. Den gesamten Verkehr umleiten, bis auf die Einsatzfahrzeuge.
ARV status. 33, TSU on site. Let's stay out of the way. 79. Need the coroner en route. Call Victor. Affirmative. Armed hostiles.
Unité 7, ne dépanneuse non.
Bien reçu, unité 12. Centrale, on jette un œil à un véhicule suspect. Unité 7 vous entend parfaitement. Bien reçu, centrale. On a couvert tout le secteur à l'est et l'unité 3 nous a rejoint.
Centrale à toutes les unités, vérif radio.
L'unité 1 vous reçoit, centrale. Tout est ok pour l'unité 9.
Soyez très prudents. Centrale à toutes les unités, vérif radio.
Bien reçu, centrale. On a couvert tout le secteur à l'est et l'unité 3 nous a rejoint. Tout est ok pour l'unité 9.
Soyez très prudents.
Unité 7 au central. Les barrages sont en place. Bien reçu, centrale. Unité 1 vous reçoit, centrale.
Machen Sie Platz für die Einsatzfahrzeuge. Halten Sie sich von den Polizeifahrzeugen fern. Bleiben Sie bitte zurück, zu Ihrer eigenen Sicherheit. Zurückbleiben, zu Ihrer eigenen Sicherheit.
Advised on the fire department on a possible wash down. It's supposed to be a gray Toyota with gas. Sounds like a possible 506 vehicle. Secretary from the Rock School, there's a group of high school kids on the back of the school on the search for the possible problem.
That's a recorded alarm, okay?
Okay, so this just must be a backup recording. Continue to respond.
5 George is en route to 496 Broadway. Do you have another assignment there, Central?
What's the job you have at that location, sir?
Nicely, Bravo. We've got friendlies all around us. Over. I repeat, the area is not secure and we are not clear to dust off. Over. No signs of enemy movement. Move forward, secure the area. Roger that. Have you got visual? If we can't track them on the ground, we've got to go by chopper. They were last seen heading in Dayton direction. Charlie, receiving fire on this end. Not LMGs. Grenade launchers, 37mm. Open the truck up wide. We've lost contact with 9-3. Over. Going radio silent. If you can suppress air, 475. Be appreciated. They've gone along the ridge line north of your area, Bushranger. Honing in on your location. Over.
Privatschiffe bleiben bis auf weiteres im Hafen. Alle Schiffe müssen die Fahrrinnen räumen. Alle Privatschiffe müssen schnellstmöglich andocken.
Nicoli è fuori, lui e sua moglie sono al sicuro. Grazie al cielo. Sto andando lì ora, non ti muovere, dimmi tutto quello che succede. Ehi, cosa vuoi fare? Parlare con Nicoli di quella traditrice, Aria. Sappiamo come si chiama, la troveremo. Devo avvicinarmi? No, ti farai solo beccare. Hanno elicotteri e gettini, resta dove sei.
了解。ケイコ3-1、人員を向かわせる。了解。現着、周辺に人影なし。周辺に人影なし。確かですか？確実だ。重大犯罪の痕跡は？大量殺人だ。現着前に飛ばれた。ユニット3-1は？いない。マルジーの打ち合いのようだ。検視官を送ります。了解。通信終わり。
你知係我哋應得㗎。班撚樣喺出邊風流快活嗰陣，我哋就韞咗喺呢個閪地方幾個月啦。喂？我聽過人哋點講你啦，裙腳仔啊嘛。屌你老味，搞到條濕撚晒！
Are they prepared to turn their back on millions of extra dollars in order to keep...
Areas could get a little breezier later on and a little cooler. The outlook, well, much the same, just a chance of some rain pushing into western Scotland and Northern Ireland in 3 or 4 days. But on the whole, staying fine and warm everywhere. Chance of rain and light winds. The western areas should stay dry with temperatures of a modest 18 to 19. So, nice enough and every chance that tomorrow is will rain.
Increases on the government over the issue of grace and favour homes for ministers as the opposition votes to
Our scientists claim that the Saharan Desert is expanding at an ever-increasing rate, despite the attempts to reclaim areas for agriculture in Libya, Algeria and the Sudan. We have John White's report from Douala on the Nile River in Sudan.
Is the British fashion industry at risk from the exodus of our top talent to Italy?
Enjoy a guided tour of Bon Inlet's Winter Wonderland, or escape the cold with a cup of hot cocoa at the lodge. We've got just what you need to beat the winter blues. Experience Baffin Island the way it was always meant to be, by Dog Sled. Hire a master guide to take you on an adventure you'll never forget. Tired of the same old steak and potatoes? Looking for something exotic? Something to shake off the winter blues? Come try the taste of summer. Grab yourself some shawarma at our new location next to the Federal Building. Winter storm on its way. Expect heavy snowfall over the next several days. Don't forget to plug your cars in tonight. Temperatures are expected to dip well below -50. Get the shovels and de-icer ready. A new winter storm is on its way. Wind advisory in effect, with overnight temperatures expected to get well below -50.
Retro Rock Radio, and let me tell you something. 80s rock was the most important musical contribution to mankind. We have Def Leppard, Guns N' Roses, Duran Duran, Rush, Iron Maiden, Queen, Hall & Oates, Bon Jovi, The Police. I can't forget Bowie. Rest his soul. Oh, and Spinal Tap. I'm only joking. But the list is huge. They all shaped 80s rock as we know it. But today's music, from those young wannabe artists, give me a break. It's absolute rubbish. Every bloody song out there is drowning in auto-tune. I mean, come on. Where's the skill in that? That's why you're only listening to real music on Retro Rock Radio. Whatever I want on the air because I can. I'm gonna say 80s rock is the best. At the same time, I'm not bashing any music before that, although maybe disco is dead. I'm saying the 80s was great because the political climate changed, the trends changed, the technology changed. We saw the beginning of digital recording and the birth of MIDI, and the world went crazy on synthesizers in a good way. Music styles were converging, diverging. the eccentric became mainstream, and it was beautiful. All of this amplified the rock scene in new ways, until it went downhill with today's music. Might as well add bloody cowbell to everything. I'm just doing my part to keep 80s rock alive by playing only the best music on Retro Rock Radio. How's it going? Eve Bravo with you here, rocking 80s tunes, soft rock, hard rock, and everything in between. I'm keeping it real on Retro Rock Radio.
كي تقدم لتسجيل الهدف ويتعرض للتدخل من إدري. سريع وذكي، يجب أن أقول كان إدري قد شهد.
¿Tiene amor o hijos? Pues los dos. Quiero a un buen hombre. El loco. ¿Cómo que loco? El loco. Tu carta. Es lo que ha salido. ¿Ah? ¿Y qué significa? Que no conseguirás nada, Lola. Rosa. Soy Rosa.
Com apenas 20 minutos restando do primeiro tempo. Voltaremos logo após o comercial.
Seu parceiro espera que você mantenha a casa limpa sem oferecer ajuda? Temos a solução. Compre agora.
Me perdoe, amor. Eu achei que tivesse te perdido.
Podia ter esperado. Nunca acharam meu corpo.
Você sumiu no mar.
Você enterrou um caixão vazio com meu nome. Você nunca me amou, desgraçado.
É claro que te amei.
Sicher, Sie sind genauso gespannt auf diese Partie wie ich. Wir müssen uns nur noch kurz gedulden, bis die Spiele auflaufen. Danach kann es endlich losgehen. Hat sich im Hinspiel schon alles entschieden oder wird es eine große Überraschung geben? Wir werden nicht mehr lange auf die...
Looking for a stud for your Brangus herd? Don't risk an inferior match. Call 1-800-BULL-RIDERS. Your local, friendly bull studding experts. Because nothing tastes better than made in Australia.
Just because you're without Bush doesn't have to mean internet speed slower than your grandmother's minivan. Call 123 Connect and you'll be streaming the footy in no time. No excess data charges. And that's our connection guaranteed. Good morning. This is your 5-day outlook for the weather. There will be a high of about 27 degrees today with a low of 10. A trough is going across the south and up through the coast. It's going to be a wet one, so we can expect about 30 mils of rain over the next 2 days. Towards the end of the week, it's going to be quite hot with temperatures in the high 30s, so you may want to hide indoors and crank the AC. Scattered showers throughout the day on Saturday, but we're back to sunshine after that, and it's going to be rather mild with a high of 26 and some nice breezes here and there. So go out and enjoy the day if you can. To traffic now, and it's looking like a nice smooth ride from wherever you are to wherever you'd rather be. Reports of a dust storm quickly travelling this way have transformed what was once a bustling hub for locals into a ghost town. Residents started to evacuate as early as last week, hoping to take as many of their valuables as possible. This is the third dust storm to hit this year, but the previous two were deemed rather mild by locals. Most had taken refuge in their homes, bravely waiting out the storm, with winds reported at 40 kilometres an hour. Unfortunately, they won't be so lucky this time, as the impending dust storm is expected to be rather severe, with damaging wind gusts at 100 kilometres an hour.
Tired of Mozzies driving you wild? Try our new and improved anti-Mozzie air defence. Packed with everything a Mozzie hates. It'll have you going from ah to ah in no time flat.
If your house faces west, you need Solar Blind's no compromise range installed quick as you like. Say goodbye to sweaty afternoons and hello to breezy mornings with our patented Easy Flow air system. Easy on the pocket, easy on the eyes. And that's why it's no compromise.
Do not attempt to board the helicopter. ستقوم مروحية للإجلاء الطبي بإجلاء الأشخاص المصابين. لا تحاول الصعود على متن المروحية. For your own safety, keep the area surrounding the medical tent clear for authorized personnel and those in need of medical attention. لسلامتك جوازات سفر أبنائهم. For your safety, you need to evacuate the building. Leave all luggage behind. You will be able to reclaim your belongings from customs agents. لسلامتك، تحتاج إلى إخلاء المبنى، فلتترك جميع الأمتعة خلفك، وستكون قادراً على استعادة ممتلكاتك من موظف الجمارك. If you are in need of medical attention, alert a border control agent. If you have been immobilized, a member of your party should contact a border agent for assistance. إذا كنت بحاجة إلى الرعاية الطبية، فلترسل تنبيها إلى جند مراقبة الحدود. إذا كنت غير قادر على التحرك، يجب على فرد من طرفك الاتصال بحرس الحدود لطلب المساعدة. Due to unforeseen events, the border is now closed. Please remove yourself from the premises. في حال وقوع أحداث غير متوقعة، تم إغلاق الحدود الآن. الرجاء أن تخرج من المبنى.
Добро пожаловать на выставку железной дороги. Россия – крупнейшая в мире страна. Наличие огромной территории позволяло создать сложную и обширную сеть железных дорог. Но до 1917 года процесс развития данной отрасли был вялотекущим. Бум строительства пришелся на период советской власти. Добычу в Норильске начали в 20-х годах 20 века. Там находятся крупнейшие в мире залежи никеля, меди и палладия. Месторождение на сибирских трапах сформировалось 250 миллионов лет назад при вспышке трапового магматизма. Излилось более миллиона кубических километров магмы. Это событие привело к одной из крупнейших биокатастроф – массовому пермскому вымиранию. Постоянная добыча руды ведется из нескольких шахт.
2005년 개장했으며 무료로 관람하실 수 있습니다. 특별 전시관을 관람하는 경우에만 요금을 내시면 됩니다.
If you want to learn more about traditional and contemporary Korean architecture, please make sure to visit the National Museum of Korea. Located at the core of Seoul, entrance has been free since the museum's offers a multitude of options to South Koreans. Steering away from telecommunications monopolies ultimately ensured a better quality of service.
전망대는 보안상의 이유로 1980년이 되어서야 이용할 수 있었습니다.
Welcome to Moknyok Tower. The landmark tower was a 6-year project that began in 1980, taking a group of 2,500 workers to construct. It was first opened to the public in 1986, but the observatory section was only...
종일 피부를 촉촉하게 유지해주고 감성부는 피부에 보다 자연스러운 광채를 더해줍니다. 연꽃에서 추출한 천연 노화 방지 성분은 얼굴의 주름을 크게 개선시킵니다.
Bestow upon Zanzibar the gift of your bounties. Zanzibar lives to reveal the ancient secrets of time. Your fortune is on the tip of my tongue. Gather around, weary travelers. Zanzibar has a personal message for you today. Your wish is Zanzibar's only command. For the price of a small treasure, the future can be yours. Gaze deep into the eyes of Zanzibar, and you will know what I tell you is true. Listen to the ancient stories of the great Zanzibar, teller of truth.
Назад! Не толпитесь, не толпитесь! Все за ограждение! Дайте спецмашинам проехать! Вам следует отойти назад!
Let's move out! Tactics always win. One shot, one kill.
Game over. Test your strength. You can't top this.